In this video, I will show you the exact steps required to create secondary user seats within your shared workspaces in Typeform. This is a fantastic feature for teams who need to collaborate on forms and gather data together in one centralized location. To get started, you first need to log into your Typeform dashboard and navigate to your main workspace area. Once you are logged in and looking at your dashboard, find your account profile icon located in the upper left corner of the screen and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options for managing your account. From this list, go ahead and select Organization Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage the high-level configurations for your entire team. Take a look at the left-hand configuration panel layout and click on the Members tab. This section is specifically designed for managing who has access to your workspace and what their roles are. Once the Members page loads, you will see a list of everyone currently in your organization. To add someone new, simply look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the button labeled Invite Members. A window will appear allowing you to enter the email addresses of the people you want to add. You can invite multiple people at once if you need to scale your team quickly. After entering their information, you can assign them specific roles or permissions based on how much control they need over your forms and data. Once you send out those invitations, your team members will receive an email and can join your shared workspace immediately. This process makes collaboration seamless and keeps all your projects organized and moving forward efficiently. Following these simple steps ensures that your workspace remains secure while giving everyone the access they need to succeed in their individual roles.